Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here, we're going to go over PancakeSwap. So right now, PancakeSwap is trading at $3.98. 24-hour volume, we are down 23.66%, and market cap, we are up 0.72%. Heading over to our chart here, we're going to start on a weekly, day, 2 hours, and then 30 minutes for your short traders. And if we can take a look at just strictly here on a weekly chart, we are still not in an uptrend as we are heavily below our 20 MA. But if we take a look at our opportunity here for our Bollinger Bands, it does look like we are narrowing and squeezing in. And whenever we see a pinch in our Bollinger Bands, it is going to initiate either a breakout in an uptrend or a downtrend. So in the next couple of weeks or so, we are going to retest the line here of our 20 MA and see if we can be able to break above it. If we take a look at our candlestick formation right now, we are still in the game here as impulse of the buyers push the price as high as $4.32. Now, if we take a look at our MACD indicator, again, we're still not in the green as the signal line and our MACD line is heavily below our 0% line. We can take a look at the histograms, or these bars are gradually getting bigger. However, the volume itself is not supported on this line, so it does proceed with caution here as the price does decrease and the volume does decrease. Exit short entry upon taking a look at the charts for reversal opportunities here. Now going into our daily chart here, again, what we can see here is below the 20 MA line, as the price broke out just yesterday itself. Now, if we take a look again, if we look at the previous candlestick itself, this is a spinning top candlestick in advancement of itself. So we can see the higher wick and the bottom wick is twice the size of the body, initiating the spinning top. If it's observed in an uptrend, it shows weakness of the exhaustion of this uptrend and price may revert to come down. If we are going to retest this line to see if we have an immediate short term here for a reversal on an uptrend, we need to come back and retest the 20 MA line to be able to see, is this supported? Because what we can see is this uptrend itself in the price, however, a decrease in the volume itself. So if we see an increase in the price and a decrease, the uptrend again is still not supported by the volume. So long entry trades again is very, very risky at this point. If we take a look at the histogram itself, we can see that a possible reversal itself can occur here, as we can see the bars itself is getting smaller and the lines are closing in, which again is a possible reversal on our end. However, what we can take a look at is a possible crossover of our RSI, our K line, and our D line, signifying a potential sell opportunity at this end here. If we go into a 2-hour time frame, we do see that the Bollinger Bands are reacting and going sideways, and also they are narrowing, meaning lower volatility. Price is going to be found near resistance and it's going to be found near support. Take a look at how many times on a 2-hour time frame we got rejected from our resistance at $4.01 here, hitting resistance, getting rejected down, coming down to an area of support at $3.96 continuously, as the price is going to move sideways here, waiting for a pinch in our Bollinger Bands to initiate a signal that the price is going to either break out in an uptrend or a downtrend. If we take a look at our MACD indicator as well, there's not enough strength of the momentum to finally break through this resistance line. If we take a look at what that would look like, here is our MACD indicator, an impulse in the MACD volume coming up and finally breaking and closing above this trend line or this resistance line itself. What we can see too is again a false breakout on our 20 MA here, finally breaking out here and then falling back short and breaking below the 20 MA. Going into a 30-minute time frame here for short traders, if we take a look at the very bottom here, we've got a doji candlestick itself. Depending on how this candlestick is in the 30-minute interval, if the price can exceed up to the $3.98, then we are going to have a short-term reversal on this end. Our RSI in the doji candle has initiated a crossover for a buying opportunity. If we take a look at some of our resistance line or retracements with our fib chart here, we can see that we bounced very, very nicely between this support area of $3.09 $3.96 here. Multiple candles retraced and found support around this area, and we have seen in the last hour or so this is a good support number. As price comes up and retraces, we are hoping again we can be able to come back up at the 50% line, as again we can see some candlesticks retracing around here and getting rejected here. As the histograms of our MACD is getting lighter, we may find enough momentum and enough support to come back and retest this resistance at 50% of our fib. So that is my price analysis here, you guys, in 4 different time frames for PancakeSwap. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below, but I'll see you next time.